हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से आपके अपने पसंदीदा यूट्यूब चैनल व्हाइट बोर्ड पर। लास्ट क्लास में हमने एक्सरसाइज 12.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 किया था। आज हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन 3। क्वेश्चन 3 क्या कहता है? गिवन फिगर डिपिक्ट्स एन आर्चरी टारगेट marked with its 5 scoring area from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 सेंटीमीटर। तो जो गोल्ड स्कोर है उसका जो डायमीटर है वो 21 सेंटीमीटर है। तो इसका मीनिंग है कि जो गोल्ड का रेडियस होगा दैट इज 10.5, 21 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 दैट इज 10.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड ईच ऑफ द अदर बैंड इज 10.5 सेंटीमीटर वाइड। उसके बाद जितने भी बैंड बनते हैं रेड, ब्लू, ब्लैक, व्हाइट, सभी बैंड के बीच डिफरेंस 10.5 सेंटीमीटर का है। फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ईच ऑफ द 5 स्कोरिंग रीजन्स, यूज पाई है 22/7। So this is the given figure. We will do solution on the behalf of given figure. तो इस फिगर में हमें आर्चरी टारगेट है जिसका सेंटर ये है। इस सेंटर से हमें 5 स्कोरिंग एरिया दे रखा है जिसका नेम है गोल्ड, रेड, ब्लू, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट। द डायमीटर ऑफ गोल्ड इज 21 सेंटीमीटर। तो रेडियस ऑफ गोल्ड, तो हमें फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि रेडियस, और वी कैन ऑल्सो से इट लाइक R1 ऑफ फर्स्ट सर्कल। जो आपका पहला सर्कल बन रहा है उसका रेडियस क्या होगा? रेडियस इज है डायमीटर अपॉन 2 that is 21 upon 2 and this will cancel out, we will get 10.5 centimeter, जिसको कि मैंने यहाँ पे शो कर दिया है। The radius of gold is 10.5 centimeter और we can call it radius of first circle or gold circle. Now the radius of second circle that will denote the area of red will be 10.5 centimeter plus 10.5 centimeter because the gap, this gap between each band is 10.5 centimeter. So in the same way we can find out the radius of blue region, the radius of black region and the radius of white region. You just watch that figure and observe it. Now I will move to the further part, and before that I rub the board so that you can clearly understand it. Radius, or we can say it R2 of सेकेंड सर्कल, और इसको हम बोल सकते हैं दैट इज रेड रीजन, रेड रीजन, and this is equal to 10.5 because the difference between each circle is 10.5 centimeter wide and that will equal to 21 centimeter. Similarly, radius R3 of third circle, 21 plus 10.5 that is equal to 31.5 centimeter. This is the radius of blue region. After that we find the radius R4 of fourth circle, that is equal to 31.5 plus 10.5 equal to 42 centimeter, and this fourth circle is of black region. After that we find the radius R5 of fifth circle, that is 42 plus 10.5, and this will become 52.5 centimeter, and this denotes the white region. It denotes white region. So step by step, in previous we find the radius r1 of first circle that denotes the gold region is 10.5 centimeter. We divide diameter by 2 and get the radius. And now we found the radius r2 of second circle, that is 10.5 plus 10.5, 21 centimeter, because there is wide gap between each circle is of 10.5 centimeter. Similarly, R3 21 plus 10.5, 31.5 centimeter. R4 a black region, that is 42 centimeter. R5 denote white region, 42 plus 7.5 is 52.5 centimeter. Now we have a radius for each band or each region. So with the help of radius we can find the area of circle, because we know that the area of circle is pi r square. Now step by step we find the area of each region. First of all we find the area of gold, then red region, then blue, then black, and then white region. So now the area. Now we find the area of gold region, that is pi r1 ka square, 22 by 7 multiplied 10.5 into 10.5. We cancel out 7 to 1.5. Now we multiply 22 multiply 15.75. We get the answer, that is 346.5 centimeter square. Now the area of red region, pi r2 square, that is the radius of second circle minus radius of first circle. Pi 21 square minus pi r1 is this 441 pi minus 110.25 pi. If after subtracting we get 330.75 pi. The value of pi is 22 by 7. We cancel out 7 to this 47.25. After multiplying we get this region. Similarly, the area of blue region, that is pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. R3 is 31.5, that is the radius of blue region, minus pi 21 square. We get 992.25 pi minus 441 pi. After subtracting we get 551.25 pi. We put the value of pi 22 by 7. After cancel out we get 1732.5 centimeter square. Similarly, we find the area of remaining two regions, that is black and white, in the same process. Now I rub the board, you just note it down. Similarly, we find the area of black region, that is pi r4 square minus pi r3 square. It is the radius of black region minus radius of blue region. Pi 42 square minus pi, radius put किया हमने find out किया 2756.25 pi minus 1764 pi. After subtracting we get this 771.75 pi. The value of pi is 22 by 7. 7 cancel out it, and after multiplying this we get 2425.5 centimeter square. In the same way, the area of white region is the area of white region minus area of black region, that is pi r5 square minus pi r4 square. R5 denotes the radius of white region, R4 denotes the radius of black region. Pi 52.5 square minus radius हमने already find out कर लिया है, pi 42 square we get 2756.25 pi minus 1764 pi, and this will equal to 992.25 pi. Putting the value of pi we cancel out and get 3118.5 centimeter square. In the same way we find the area of each band with the help of their radius or by subtracting the area of consecutive bands. Suppose we have to find the area of white band. So from the area of white region, we subtract the area of black region. In this process we can also find out. This is the process by which we get the area of each band or each region. If you really like our video, you can like, share and subscribe our video, or if you have any comment from the NCERT textbook of class 10, you can just write us to in our comment box, and we will surely come with your doubts and solve that question at utmost priority. Thank you.